Yes. Hi Vikas, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Pretty stuck in this situation, working from home, quite stressful, but still okay. And that's why we are here on remote
Yeah.
platform.
Mm-hmm.
So, as we discussed on email, you have shown interest to my product.
Mm-hmm.
And before moving forward to that, I want to ask you a couple of questions so that I can suggest you a better product.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, may I know what kind of dryer are you using right now?
I don't know about the brand, but it's like front front door dryer.
Okay, it's regular or the advanced one? And
It's a
I'm
it's a it's a regular one.
regular one. Okay. And how about your utility expenses?
Uh, Actually, I don't know because it's come with like hydro and electric together, and maybe it's like $100 per month.
Have you ever um, observed that it is directly connected to your laundry expenses?
No.
Okay, so let me make it clear that your in your utility, your almost 25% of the expenses are directly connected to your laundry expenses.
Okay.
So here we have product which definitely reduce your utility expenses up to 20%, and it
Mm-hmm.
will allow you to save you almost near to yearly $500.
Mm-hmm.
So let's move on to the presentation. Can you see my screen
No.
now?
Yeah. I can see now.
Okay. So here is a front loading clothes dryer by LG. If
Mm-hmm.
we talk about LG, it's a quite old and reputed company. It was established in 1958, and the word LG stands for Life's Good. And
Mm-hmm.
company is highly focused for delivering the products which can deliver great values, benefits, promises, and personality. They literally looking for the innovation and technological advancement so that they can provide a better experience to their customers.
Okay.
And if we look for the this laundry pain points, we can
Mm-hmm.
see that it's literally expensive utilities.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone wants to have efficient and quick laundry.
Yes.
We want to have wrinkle free drying because we don't have time to iron our clothes for work.
Yes.
And yes, due to this current situation, we want to sanitize our clothes regularly, right?
Yes.
So we don't have time that we each and every time we wash our clothes. So we have some steaming features with which you can sanitize your clothes.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah, so here is some visuals, and this is the product description. That's the
Mm-hmm.
model number, and yeah, it's an ultra large capacity model. It has capacity of 7.4 CUFP, that is
Mm-hmm.
feet. So you roughly you can make a laundry of almost 6 people at
Mm-hmm.
one time. It has a turbo steam technology and steam fresh cycle, which gives you four different types of spinning cycles
Okay.
and 9 types of different modes for drying. And it has one wonderful feature that is Wi-Fi connection, that is smart thing technology, that your
Yes.
machine will be directly connected to your phone so that you can operate your machine through your
O-
smartphone only.
Okay. That's
So
a good feature.
yeah, you don't need to spend your separate time for this drying option. You just in the morning you just load your clothes to the machine and just go to the work. And as we all know, in Ontario we have down rates in the evening. So you wherever you are doesn't matter. You can start your laundry in the evening by your phone
Mm.
itself, and you
Okay.
can adjust the speed. You can adjust the modes. Everything you can do that with
Okay.
that.
That's a good. That's a nice feature.
Yeah, and
Uh,
one more amazing feature is that it has a sensor drying system. So like
mm-hmm.
when your clothes are dry, the
Mm-hmm.
machine will stop automatically.
Okay.
So you can save your utilities on these as well. It is
Mm-hmm.
energy efficient product with
Mm-hmm.
Energy Star certified product, and it is available in four different colors, so you can choose according to your washing compartment and according to your washing machine color match as well.
Okay,
And
okay.
it's stackable,
Mm-hmm.
so it will occupy the minimum space in your laundry section.
Okay.
Here are the visuals which can show you how different modes it has, the design of the product. Underneath you can have some storage capacity, uh,
Mm-hmm.
the front loading compartment as well. Do you
Mm-hmm.
have any questions so far?
No, no, that I am good right away.
Okay,
You can
so
go ahead.
yeah, and these are the additional services we are providing, that we
Mm-hmm.
are providing 24 into 7 customer support,
Mm-hmm.
3 years of extended warranty, free
Mm-hmm.
delivery,
Okay.
special discount due to the slowdown, and yes, one beautiful thing that we are providing 30 minutes free demo. So if you
Okay.
wish to attend that, you just need to book an appointment and you can come down to the store. Or due to
Mm-hmm.
this situation, if you don't willing to come to the store, you can just book an appointment and ask for the video, so I will provide you a video which show you the whole demonstration of the machine.
Okay.
And here are the ratings and reviews, that it is highly rated product, and it is rated on three bases, that is quality, features and value, and all of the consumers who are using it currently, they all are happy with that. You can also find some comments on the website as well.
Okay. Ratings are good.
Yeah, thanks. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, One more thing, that I don't have the pricing quotation right now, because
Okay.
due to the situation we are supposed to discount the product, and we
Mm-hmm.
will have that quotation in next couple of days. So can we book an
Okay.
appointment on Thursday so that I can show you the quotation and the discounted prices?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. You can book my appointment for Thursday.
Sure. So I will email you a quotation and will ask for your preferable time on Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Please reply on that. That's
Yeah,
the
sure,
next
yeah,
part,
sure.
right? So
Yeah,
thank you once again. I appreciate your consideration and valuable time.
you're
Yeah.
welcome.
See you soon. Stay safe. Stay
You
healthy.
too.
Yeah.
You too.
Bye bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.